Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best industrial electrical capacitors is probably one of the most crucial components in any electronic device, and when it comes to dual capacitors, there are a few that stand out from the rest. Today, we'll be counting down the top 5 best dual capacitors on the market. Now let's take a look at the top 5 best dual capacitor we choose for you. Number 5. Upgrade your AC unit with a reliable replacement capacitor. It fits both 370 VAC and 440 VAC capacitors. Built to the toughest USA standards, this capacitor can withstand temperatures from -40°C to +70°C. Rest assured with our 5-year guarantee. We are passionate about quality control in our workshops. Order now and replace your old capacitor with ease. No catches, just peace of mind. This capacitor is a replacement for various models, ensuring compatibility with your AC motor. What we like. If you are looking for a capacitor that can replace both 370 VAC and 440 VAC capacitors and is built to the toughest USA standards, you should consider this one. It is guaranteed to last 5 years, providing peace of mind for your AC system. What people say. Installed quickly. Turned off power and just pulled the wires from the top of the old and pushed them into the top of this one. Power back on the system is running just like it would. A clean swap only involves, after turning off the breaker and unscrewing the screws holding the lid of the compressor and removing it, disconnecting and reconnecting spade connectors in the exact same configuration as the original capacitor and ensuring that the band clamp is snug for the new capacitor. Some replacements may not be a perfect fit, so you may need to readjust the clamp that holds it. Well worth the trouble as long as you can remove a few screws and carefully fiddle with some spade connectors. Happy with this replacement? AC has been operating smoothly and much more quietly. AC in the house was not working, went outside to the air conditioner unit and it was blowing cold air out the top. That's not good, it needs to be blowing hot air out to remove heat from the house. So I figured it's either lost the refrigerant or the compressor is not running. I removed the start capacitor and checked it with my meter. Sure enough, the HUAREW terminal or the compressor side of the capacitor was low, 6 microfarads, should be 45 microfarads. Installed this new start capacitor and voila, compressor came on and cool air once again. Number 4. These capacitors are a popular choice among customers. They are manufactured in Mexico. With package dimensions of 3.0 L x 0.25 H x 2.0 W inches, these capacitors are compact and easy to store. Weighing only 0.1 pounds, these capacitors are lightweight and convenient to handle. What we like. For those who prefer a capacitor that is made in Mexico and has a compact size and lightweight design, this one is a great choice. It is easy to install and reliable for your AC system. What people say. The capacitor works, was identical in form to the installed failed capacitor and works great so far. Only time will tell about its durability. If you are comfortable working with electricity and components of your HVAC system, it is very easy to get this done. I had one go on me a few years ago and the guy who came out charged $200 for replacing this item, which is really a $5 component for anyone who has their license for working on HVAC systems. My buddy at the time had his and bought me one for future use, and I kept it as these items go out fairly often. Number 3. This capacitor is designed for reliable performance and durability in various applications. It can handle voltage up to 370 V or 440 VAC with a capacitance tolerance of plus or minus 6%. Easily identify terminals for compressor motor, fan, and common line with labeled terminals. Compatible with various models including 97F9850, TRCF-D505, and HC98JA051 for easy replacement. It meets safety protection level S1 standards to ensure safe operation. What we like. If you value high quality and safety, this capacitor is for you. With a high-quality composite design and safety protection level of S1, it is perfect for ensuring the efficient and safe operation of your AC system. What people say. The capacitance values are exactly the same as original on my heat pump compressor. When I noticed that the compressor was failing to start, I had a feeling it was a starting capacitor failure. I ordered one after examining the old capacitor. I had it running in less time and expense than had I called someone to service it. It has been working fine for several months since installing it. Great part and fit for my AC unit. Took only 15 minutes to install and my AC was back up and running. The delivery was amazing. Received the part the next day after ordering. Amazing. Capacitors were the correct value and the AC compressor started right up, but the package was much smaller than the existing one. My bad for not verifying the size. We were able to make it stay in place with some tie wraps. Number 2. Replacing your old capacitor with our 4-inch tall capacitor is easy. Simply measure your old capacitor to ensure a perfect fit. Our capacitor is designed to meet the EIA 456A and IEC 60252-1:2001 specifications, ensuring top-notch quality. Our dual capacitor can run both your compressor and fan, working seamlessly with 370 or 440 volts. Safety is our top priority. Our capacitor features a 10,000 AFC anti-explosion pressure switch and does not contain any PBAs. Replacing your capacitor is a breeze. Simply turn off the power, mark the wires, move them to the new capacitor, and turn the power back on. What we like. For those who prioritize safety and easy installation, this capacitor is the ideal choice. Engineered for safety with an anti-explosion pressure switch and easy replacement process, it comes with a 1-year warranty for added peace of mind. What people say. Works well. Easy to install. Just take a snapshot of your old cap in place before you change and use it as a guide to make the replacement. You can't go wrong. Durability, time will tell. But one thing for sure is that it's much, much cheaper than the $150 my HVAC guy tried to charge for a new one. It's a shame so many small business owners try to take advantage of 70+ people. I repaired the HVAC condenser unit and cleaned up the inside, removing old leaves, tree droppings and mice droppings. Had 2 dead mice inside on capacitor leads. The capacitor is a good quality item. 6 years ago our AC went out and we called for service. Nearly $500 later the tech said that our particular AC unit is prone to these motor starter capacitors going out. So 2 days ago I noticed that we weren't getting cold air and my mind went right to replacing this cap. I thought I had purchased a spare back then but couldn't find it. However, this guy popped up on my screen as me and the missus were talking about the possibility of this being the culprit. Yes, someone is listening to us all the time and I don't even have Alexa. However, got it overnight, installed it and am now basking in cooling air pouring into my house. Number 1. Make sure to measure your old capacitor to ensure the perfect fit for your unit. This capacitor is designed to last 60,000 hours, meeting the EIA 456A and IEC 60252 standards. Our dual capacitor can run both the compressor and fan, compatible with 370 or 440 volts. Safety is our top priority, with a 10,000 AFC anti-explosion pressure switch and no PBAs used in this product. Replacing your capacitor is a breeze. Simply turn off the power, mark the wires, move them to the new capacitor, replace it, and turn the power back on. What we like. If you are looking for a capacitor that is designed to last 60,000 hours and engineered for safety, this one is for you. With an easy replacement process and no PBAs used, it ensures a reliable operation for your AC system. What people say. The capacitor worked well, was easy to install, no problems. This is an easy install. Just disconnect power, wait a bit, to let it discharge, open a cover plate, use a screwdriver or something to short the terminals and verify no retained charge, and replace the wires on the same terminals with the new one as they were on with the old one. This relatively inexpensive part probably saved me $8,000 in AC repair. Do it yourself guys, just watch YouTube videos and learn. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.